a power tool brand can be quite a big challenge, because when you pick up the first tool for the first time, it may end up being a connection that lasts you until the end of time. And that is because as soon as you're on a battery platform or an ecosystem, people tend to stay there. We are going to be taking a look at Einhell today and explaining why, if you are into your DIY or into your gardening, you are going to want to give Einhell a look. I probably should have explained that we have 5 reasons for you, so let's get to it. Reason number 1 is because Einhell is fantastic value for money. When comparing Einhell to other top power tool brands, you know, that kind of price to performance ratio conversation comes up an awful lot. Sure, if you're on the tools all day, every day, then yeah, maybe you want to look at those higher up premium top of the line brands. However, this is going to be great for people that need an emergency backup on the job, or like I said, those that are doing the odd jobs around the house into their DIY. You've got an incredible price to performance ratio with Einhell's Power Exchange range. Now, you may have heard me mention their Power Exchange. That is Einhell's flagship 18-volt platform. And that is very, very important when it comes to choosing your power tool brand. Like I said at the start of the video, once you pick up one of these tools for the first time, you're kind of, you know, being pushed into that ecosystem, and that will be the same here with Einhell, because all of their 18-volt tools are running off of that Power Exchange battery, and that battery can power over 250 tools. Another benefit to that is when Einhell bring new tools out down the line, if you've already got Power Exchange batteries, you can slap them into the brand new tools as well. And all of the tools you can check out over at its.co.uk and build the cordless kit of your dreams in the Einhell Cordless Kit Builder. Reason number 3 to invest in Einhell comes down to that wide range of tools. Like I mentioned, of course, you've got the flexibility offered to you by the Power Exchange batteries, but it's not just a number that is important, it is actually the vast array of tools that you can get your hands on. We've got your standard products, you know, your bread and butter when it comes to your toolkits, your combi drills, your impact drivers, circular saws, things along those lines, but it extends further beyond that. When you start looking at your garden tools, you can get out with lawn mowers, hedge trimmers, leaf blowers, and so much more. But we don't stop there, of course. Einhell are known for fantastic engineering, they are known for fantastic technology, which is why they have given you some quirkier products as well if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker, and even a coffee machine. That's right, I said it. Einhell have an 18-volt coffee machine which runs off of the same battery as your combi drill and your leaf blower. Reason number 4 to give Einhell a look is down to their overall reliability. German engineering, high quality design on all of their products. But not only that, Einhell offer fantastic service when it comes to their warranty as well. If you register your products after buying from the likes of its.co.uk, you are going to get access to Einhell's incredible warranty. And that is going to be 3 years warranty on any purchased Einhell products, as well as 3 years on Einhell batteries. Alongside from that, of course, brushless motors offer you maintenance-free runtime. If your tool has a brushless motor in it, you are going to get 10 years warranty on those brushless motors. You know, just an extra bit of security, you know, just to keep you resting assured that your tools are always going to be ready to get the job done. Reason number 5 kind of expands, you know, on the care that they give you with the likes of their warranty, and that is just the fact that Einhell is a brand that you can trust. They have been around for decades, starting off in Germany but expanding across the globe. They are such a popular name, you know, that it's clear that they're not going to go anywhere anytime soon. You know, I think it's happening more and more, you know, in today's world, that people are buying tech online. You know, it damages after a little while, then you look them up and the company's gone. You know, that is frustrating for you as a customer, and that is not a problem that you are going to face with Einhell. They are rapidly expanding in the power tool market. In fact, they have made claims that by 2027, their Power Exchange battery platform is not going to just have 250 tools. They're looking to grow that to about 450 tools. Bold claims and proof that they are looking to expand even more in the future. There we have it. There are 5 reasons for you to check out Einhell, especially if you're into your DIY or into your gardening. You can shop all Einhell now in the Einhell Superstore over at its.co.uk. That is your home of everything Einhell.